Hi guys, so today my Shin squishy just arrived. So we're gonna open it. Oh, I see the blue one. Okay, so first, oh my god, this smells extremely toxic, bro. Here, this is my sister's one, so let me just give her hers and then I'll come back. Okay, so I ordered the Duke burrito. Oh my gosh. It's actually, look at that. And then I take off the, what's it called? My face thing. This is actually so, it feels like it's gonna break. That's so nice. I give this 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna do this blue cheese. This smells extremely toxic, so don't mind my sister laughing, bro. Okay, let me just open this, kind of hard. Okay, I opened it. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh, this is actually so good. I look so chopped, but don't mind me. This is so good. You guys should get these. These are so good, but I rate these 10 out of 10. They stink so bad, but yeah. Bye!